Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, May 19th. This is David, and let's take a look at the dollar index. This is something that we took a look at back here in February, the first time it bounced from this Voodoo fireline, the most important of the Voodoo line levels. It was coming down roughly from this Voodoo tree line area, the second most important of the levels. And we noted then that this was looking like a trend-like move. And it still has that appearance. One of the things that we were talking about back here in February was that one way to view it as a five-wave trend move from an Elliott wave perspective would be to view it as, whoops, it's the wrong drawing tool. Let's fix this up. One way to view it as a trend move would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that could set up a larger bounce, but particularly if that bounce was contained by this 105.78 Voodoo snow line, that it was more likely that the five-wave structure would be 1, 2, and only wave 3 finished back here at the start of February, followed by a wave 4 up and a wave 5 down. And so we did make that modestly lower low in the dollar index, a brief excursion below this fireline level, but then recovered it, tested it from above and held. And since then, it's been to the upside. So look, this portends a few things. First, it tells us that that we should eventually get some additional downside. These five-wave trend moves don't come on their own and are typically going to see at least one more move in the direction of the trend, in this case, down. But once that five-wave structure is complete, we can typically see a good-size counter-trend bounce the other way before turning back down. So I'm thinking something roughly a 61.8% retracement, something roughly towards the area of this 108.54 Voodoo tree line would be a place that we could bounce to before turning back down. So if we look at it from the fib retracement standpoint, measure swing high to swing low, the 61.8 goes a little bit beyond that tree line. It goes up to about 109.5, but somewhere in there, 108.5, 109.5 would be a good size bounce. Now, this is a move that took well over half a year to unfold to the downside. And so similarly, this isn't a bounce that I would expect would complete in a few weeks. It's more likely to take several months. And while it will have some wiggles within it, some drops within that bounce, I would expect that to generally have an upward bent over the next several months, and that would keep the stock market potentially under some pressure with bounces along the way. So that's what I'll be watching so long as we hold this 101.30 area where we've got the Voodoo fireline here in the dollar index. I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.